kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about taking care of clothes. In this lesson, you will learn and understand the different ways of taking care of one's clothes. At the same time, you will be able to recognize the needed sewing tools and their functions to repair worn out clothes. Are you ready? Clothes are important in keeping oneself presentable and attractive. Wearing clean, neat, and attractive clothes helps improve one's physical appearance and build self-confidence. Clothes should be taken care of properly to maintain them in good condition. Washing is a common activity to clean the used clothes. People as young as you are should learn the proper way of washing clothes by helping your parents or house helper in doing such activity. And these are some important points that will help you to do in washing clothes. Let's discuss them one by one. Before washing your clothes, separate the ones with tears and holes. They should be repaired first before washing them to prevent further damage. The colored clothes and the white ones should not be washed together to prevent color bleeding or the transfer of color from the colored clothes to the white clothes. In manual washing, rub the clothes using your wrists and hands with enough pressure to remove dirt. For washing machine, follow the instructions stated in the manual of operation. Rinse the clothes until the water is clear of soap. Hang the clothes with collar and school and office uniforms using hangers, while those everyday clothes can be hung directly on the clothesline. It will be very difficult to remove the stains after you have washed the clothes. That is why stained clothes should be pre-treated before washing them. The two common stains are the following. The parts of the clothes with blood stain should be soaked in cold water and rubbed with soap briskly, while the parts of the clothes paint stain should be rubbed with fat and paint thinner. Earlier, I said separate the ones with tears and holes before washing your clothes. Repairing the worn out parts of clothes is possible with the use of sewing tools. So, watch out for the second part of our video. We will talk about some of the common sewing tools needed in hand stitching. And now, let's talk about some of the ways to repair worn out parts of clothes. There are a lot of ways to repair worn out parts of clothes. These ways usually involve stitching, and some of the basic hand stitches include darning, mending, and patching. Darning and mending. Tears in clothes are commonly straight, diagonal, and three-cornered. In order to mend them, let's do the following steps. Trim the tear by cutting off the raveling threads. Use a thread that matches the color of the fabric. Start threading at the wrong side of the fabric. Do this 1 inch from the edge of the tear. Push the needle from the wrong side of the fabric toward the right side. Move the needle in and out of the fabric by making small rubbing stitches to and from and moving at least 1 inch away from the tear on both sides. Continue making running stitches at least 1 inch from the other end of the tear. And lastly, finish on the wrong side of the fabric. Patching. When your clothes have a large hole, patch it by mending with a fabric material that matches the color and the design of the clothes. Let's do the following steps in patching. Trim the hole to a regular shape. Cut a patch larger than size of the hole to cover it completely. Turn the raw edges of the patch 1/4 inch to the right side, then pin and baste it on the wrong side of the material. Hem the patch to the garment to make the corners neat. Turn in the raw edges of the garment and baste near the edge. The hem is finished by hand stitching. And lastly, remove the bastings and press carefully. Don't forget, your closet or cabinet is where your ready-to-wear clothes are placed and stored. These clothes should be neatly and properly arranged. Clothes should be hung or folded carefully inside your cabinet. Doing so is a good habit that you should develop as early as now. Remember that when clothes are handled with care, they will last longer. This will help you and your parents save money from buying new ones. That is why children at your age should already learn how to take good care of your clothes. Once again, watch out for our next video about the sewing tools in repairing worn out parts of clothes. See you there! For your activity at home, write 10 tips on how to take good care of your clothes. And you may also practice darning and mending a worn out garment.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.